Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is profit enhancing appeal that a company can propose to reduce its exposure to adverse exchange rate adjustments to the manufacturing cost of pairs shipped to a distribution warehouse from a planet in a different region is true. The correct answer of the question is bullet sufficient plant capacity in each of the four regions to greatly reduce the need to ship pairs to a distribution warehouse from a planet in a different geographic region. Such a strategy benefit of cutting tariff PMT on imported footwear adjust the company's pricing and marketing efforts each region round to sell more pairs in regions where exchange rate adjustments are favorable and fewer pairs in regions where the adjustments are unfavorable. Such shifts tend to boost profits in regions with unfavorable adjustments. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.